Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Radar, a tool that I just found on AppSumo and I'm in love. I like it so much. It's pretty simple to understand how it works. It's a tool that will keep all your metrics on a single dashboard and you can see everything that's happening on your accounts without the need to log in to see your metrics in other tools or a report tool. You have everything on your Mac app or your Windows app. The tool works on macOS, Windows, and Linux. And as you can see here, it costs only $19 on AppSumo, but they are leaving 5 days. You have only 5 days to get Radar, and do not miss it. It's a kind of a no-brainer, and I'm going to show you how it works. So $19 lifetime access with all the features. And where is Radar? It's just here on my app. It's a Mac app or Windows or Linux that will add all your metrics on a single dashboard, so you don't need to go to your Google Analytics with your YouTube, Instagram to check your followers. And as you can see here, I have a Google Analytics, I have a YouTube metrics, my followers metrics here, my followers on one of my Instagram account, my followers on my YouTube, another YouTube channels here, so you can add more than one channel per account. You can add how many Google Analytics you want, how many YouTube channels you want, and you have all your metrics here. It's pretty convenient. And how you're gonna add the metrics? So let's first take a look at the settings. Just click here. You can add the app to auto start when your system starts, and you can toggle on the keyboard shortcut and display buttons only on hover. Okay. Can do like that, display the buttons here on the hover like that. I don't like this, so I'm gonna just add that. And you can change to light mode. I'm gonna show you that the light mode. I prefer the dark one, or let the system picks it up for you. I add here my dark mode. It's here. It's working pretty well. And how you're gonna use it? How you're gonna use it? Your Radar account. Just click here on the plus button and you can add any API and you're gonna get the metrics from that API, or you can use their one-click integrations. They are always adding new integrations. As you can see here, the next one will be Coinbase, and here you can see Stripe, PayPal, Forex, Google Sheets, Google AdSense, etc. For the sake of that review, let's add a YouTube channel. So first you need to connect your YouTube account. After you connect your YouTube account, you need to get your channel ID. It's going to be not so straightforward when you have a channel that has a custom name. So let's go to the channel that I'm going to add now, our Tech Trends On channel. Here you can see that that's the data that I need. That's my channel ID. But let's say I would go to another channel. That one here, that's mine as well. So as you can see here, it has a custom name. So I can't see the channel ID. How are you going to solve that issue when you have a custom name on your for your channel? You just click on any of your videos and then you click here on that button, the button of your channel, on your channel name. And then you'll go to a link where you can see the ID just here. After you copy your ID, you just go here and paste the ID here. And here you can select when Radar will automatically refresh, showing your new subscribers. For instance, you can add here 15 minutes for refreshing, and like 1 hour for refreshing, and add it to Radar. Open Radar. Do you want to add subscriber count? Yes. And as you can see here, I have my new channel. Just click here on edit. Then you can change the name of your channel. That's it. My channel is here. Let's try with another account. So go here, click on the plus button, one-click installer, and then let's try Twitter. Click here on Twitter. Here you only need to add the Twitter username. I'm gonna add one of my Twitters here. You can add to show the total number of people the user follows and also your profile pic if you want. I'm not gonna add none of those. And click here, add to Radar. Again, open Radar. Yes, pretty simple. You can see I have a new integration here with my Twitter followers, and it will refresh automatically with time. You can just click here to refresh everything at the same time, or you can also per integration click here to refresh. You can also take a picture of all your integration or select some of them to take a picture. For instance, all the integration of a brand, and then you drag and drop, and you have here the picture of your integrations. You can use it for a report, etc. It's pretty useful. The tool is not expensive, it's cheap, and you can have all your metrics here. It will save a lot of time. You don't need to, log in on many YouTube channels to see your metrics. Everything will be in only one dashboard. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.